Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of the rooms at Bellagio. So let's go ahead and go on in. I'm so excited we are here on our Vegas vacation. So here is the view when you come in. There's a beautiful painting on the wall. Here is the bathroom. So you get a really nice big shower, big mirror, 2 sinks, and a huge tub. Look at that gorgeous tub. Oh my gosh. That's like my dream tub. So that's the bathroom. We're going to come back out. There's a really nice mirror here on the wall. It's kind of chilly outside today, but not too bad. It's like in the 60s. Here's the bed. Picture on the wall. Just kind of pan over here so you guys can see what it looks like. So our stuff is out, but the maid just did come in and make the bed and everything, so that was nice. You get the snack bar here, and obviously you have to pay if you eat something. But it's a nice option if you're like dying of hunger. You got some drawers here for the dresser. And yeah, I think there's stuff in here that you can buy too for drinking. Then I have some Lush and some Sephora that I'm going to be showing you guys in some other videos. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. Here is the room view from this window. It's really, really beautiful at night. Everything's lit up. I'd say this is one of the better views that we had in Vegas, besides the wind. Yeah, and the Bellagio Fountains aren't over here, unfortunately. I think they're like over there or on the other side. I'm not really sure. But if you're in Vegas, go ahead and check out those fountains. They play really loud music and blast water up taller than the building, so that's really, really cool. We are having a really fun time here so far. This is just one of the rooms I'm going to be showing you, so stay tuned for more. There's some really excited suites coming up. I'm so excited to show you guys that. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed the Bellagio room tour. See you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.